tried areas where there was no growth, no vegetation, and we've applied the product, and it's been able to produce crops from areas which were previously dead. So what it does is it takes clay and minerals which are fed into the reactor, and the reactor essentially takes nanotechnology and applies a positive charge around the sand particles. What that does is it allows us, when we pour it into the negatively charged soil, it allows it to bind together almost like a magnetic force, and it prevents the drainage and loss of those soil moisture and nutrients into the ground. Whereas normally it would just pour through and you would lose the majority of it, with the roots of the tree only capturing a small fraction. To demonstrate, we poured liquid natural clay onto this area, which is the product, and it's going to take its time to slowly seep through. Just to demonstrate the time difference, this is plain water, which we pour right next to it into the desert. Now, if you look at the difference, look how that is stagnant. Look how that's already started to disappear completely. That's essentially the technology, and what that will do is over time it's going to settle down and stay in the subsurface level and produce soil which can now be grown on.